We have been telling you about Nebraska's overburdened foster care system with worker turnover and challenges with caseloads.
Every year, 200 teens in Nebraska's foster care system age out. That means they turn 19 years old and they're not connected to a family or services. Tonight, we share the story of a young woman who was homeless for 2 weeks and could not get the attention of caseworkers. A frustrated volunteer stepped in to help.
The first foster home I went to, it was good.
Inez was 12 when she entered Nebraska's foster care system. She says it turned into more than 19 different homes and placements. And now she's months away from her birthday, a day that scares her.
My birthday's in September, so once I turn 19, it's done. I'm done.
By the middle of September, Nebraska will be legally finished with her care. But Cindy Kinsler says the state abandoned Inez months ago.
I don't understand how this system can be so fatally broken.
Cindy says Inez was signed up for the Bridge to Independence program, a DHHS program for teens like her. She says contacts with her caseworker were rare.
She would just be like, okay, well, I'm gonna call you right back, but then never calls me back.
But Cindy, who's a home mortgage specialist, did answer her call.
They don't respond to her text messages, and she's jumped from caseworker to caseworker, and we don't know who she's supposed to be with now because people haven't responded.
Kinsler is also a volunteer court-appointed special advocate for Inez.
My #1 supporter, that's what really keeps me strong.
Kinsler shared the thread of emails she sent. No one ever asking how they could help. Inez was evicted recently. She's not getting any state money. She never finished high school.
I've been staying at hotels, and I just want somebody to help me and to get me off the streets.
She's had 17 workers during her time in care. She says her last contact with a state worker was the middle of June.
I'm just tired of the whole situation.
And her advocate is angry and frustrated.
She shouldn't be on the street. She shouldn't be in a situation where she doesn't have a safe place to go every single night.
Well, after our interview, KETV connected Inez with an advocate who told her who to call and what to say. DHHS picked her up a few hours later. Douglas County CASA dismissed Kinsler from her volunteer role, saying she didn't follow protocol. They told her to have no contact with Inez. DHHS can't talk about specific cases legally, but told me these cases can be mischaracterized. They say they document all contact in cases, and they say if children in foster care have an emergency and they can't reach a caseworker or a supervisor, they can call the Child Abuse and Neglect Hotline, which is open 24/7. That number's on your screen, 800-652-1999.